Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Sweet Home Alabama. There's a really cool little instrumental part in between the verse that goes like this. Now, I don't know if he's doing it right here or right here, because you could go like this. I guess I'll show you both ways. So the first one that I was going to show you is more of a Jimi Hendrix kind of style, bluesy, slidey. On the 7th fret, A string, walking up to the 9th. Bar right here. So that's the D string and the G string. So it goes, hit it twice, slide down to there, and then a hammer on from 5 to 7 on the A string. And then you got the bar, pull off, and then you could do the triple walk up, or you can hammer it on. It's pretty much the same situation as over here. And then you got a G note. Now the other version is you do the same little thing but over here, and it goes, so you're starting on the 2nd fret, walking up to the 4th, then you got right here, slide it down, hammer on. You can do a little pull off right here if you wanted to. And then, so that's of course again is the walk up to the G, or you could do the hammer on to the D, G, and then chord. So again, the two different versions. I like that one. And then the other one. All right, and so now we got a really cool little guitar fill before the chorus. It goes like this. So it is a hammer onto the 2nd fret of the A, and then you got D, G, and then a pull off on the D string, and then hammer on, and then it goes into the chorus. So now the chorus, I think there's a guitar doing the full chords down here, but it also sounds like a bluesy kind of guitar going like this. So what you're doing is you got your root note, you got your 5th, I'm doing it with these 2 fingers, and then you got your pinky doing kind of a bluesy thing right there. You take that same shape, and I know it's a bit of a stretch, and you can scoot it over here. You hit the G twice, and then one more time. And then you got this fill, and that's just kind of a power chord. You got this little fill. So hammer on, pull off, and then it goes again. Second one, you could do this little thingy. So it's a hammer on, and then open G. So hammer on's on the D string. And you slide up to that root note. You got this F power chord to a C power chord, and then it kind of just starts over the little riff again. Yes, and like there's a ton of little guitar fills that are different and little bluesy things here and there. There's a bunch of guitar solos. I mean, maybe we'll get into that next week. They're all in electric guitar. I guess you decide. You let me know if you want to learn the electric guitar solos. I'll have to learn them first. But yes, good luck. Play along. It's pretty easy. It's really cool little guitar trade-off fills and piano fills and such. Yeah, Sweet Home Alabama, baby. Good luck, sir.